Just hold it.
Hold it, honey.
Just hold it. Okay. Hold it down here on the very end. Okay. No. You gotta hold it.
Papa Joe, show him what you mean.
Okay.
Don't throw it, Nathan. Just hold it in your hand.
Watch Papa Joe. You see that? He just took it right out of my hand. Okay, so hold it way down here at the bottom. Wait a minute. Hey, hold it way down here at the bottom. Okay, Papa Joe's gonna hold his hand over yours so the bird doesn't get you, okay? Look good! You see that? Yeah, okay, let's throw this one out. Ah, did you see that bird catch that? Okay, hold it. Let's hold it again. Okay, here we go. Oh, you got it! Okay, we'll do one more. Way down here again. Okay, there we go. Oh, we got a double one that time, huh?